Alright, what is up guys? So I have here my sister's laptop, and she uses this for school. She's in college, first year in college, so she needs her laptop, and she's been using her PC, but she likes using her laptop because it's a mobile computer, so you can use it pretty much anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what is up with this. All that she told me was that there's a black screen and some words, and that's it. So I'm charging it. And I'm going to go ahead and see what we can do about it. If we need to reinstall Windows, or if there's faulty components in this PC or laptop. It is a Dell laptop. It is the XPS. Let's check. It is a 13-inch laptop. Enough of that. Let's go ahead and open this up. There you go. So I'm going to power it on. This laptop has been through a lot. When I bought it, the hinge was broken from the inside, so I just bolted it on, so it's pretty much, more stable now. Alright, so this is the error message she gets. No boot device found. Please press any key to reboot the machine. So let me press enter. Alright. And we get the same thing. And that's pretty much what's happening with this PC. Before, I used to boot into Windows normally, Now I get this message, or now she gets this message, and she can't get into her Windows. So let's see what we can try to do. We can try entering the BIOS and checking if we can boot into the SSD that's in the laptop. It could be that the SSD has died and needs replacement. Probably, I have no idea. So let's go ahead and press enter again. And I believe to enter BIOS, it's delete. So let me go ahead and press enter. Press delete multiple times. I think that's working. Nope, it didn't work. Alright, the next thing I'm gonna try is F12. Oh, there you go. Alright, so let's see. Boot mode is set to legacy, secure boot off. Okay, legacy boot, mini card SSD. What is that? I don't know what that is. UEFI boot, Windows Boot Manager. Let's see. Other options. BIOS setup. Let's go ahead and enter BIOS. Alright, so from here we can go to our boot sequence. Does have a mouse? Yeah. Okay. So the boot priority is diskette drive. Don't know what the hell that is. USB storage, mini card SSD. I'm gonna go ahead and select UEFI. Legacy. I'm not using any legacy software here for the Windows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and maybe try that, and then I'm gonna hit apply. And then I'm gonna exit. And see if that boots to Windows. Oh, there you go. So it boots. Now it's booting normally. There it is. Okay, let's see. Let me show you guys the spec of this laptop. Task manager. When I bought this, I paid like $280 for it on the Facebook Marketplace, like 2-3 years ago. I don't remember. The CPU is an i5 5200U. It's 4-core processor, 2-core, 4 threads. So it's not too bad. It's got 8 gigs of memory. There you go, and it's got the Intel Intel integrated graphics, the 5500, and a 120 gig SSD. Oh, never mind, it's a 256 gig SSD. The display resolution, I believe it's 4K. Let's see. Display settings. It is a touchscreen. Yep, touchscreen. That's pretty cool. I like laptops that are touchscreen. System. Where the frick do I go for the display again? It's right down here. Display, advanced display. There you go. Oh, it's a 3200 by 1800 at 59 hertz. I believe that I can go higher. Nope, that's it. Maybe the drivers are outdated, but it should be like 60. I don't know why it's at 59.98. But there you go. It's a super simple fix. When I saw the error message, I was like, oh, it could be that the SSD either died, stopped working, you know, or the BIOS was messed with, and that may be what happened. Or maybe she plugged in something and it, I don't know what could have happened, but it was as simple as disabling legacy and enabling UEFI. That did it. I guess that did it. And now it works. It boots. Now she can use her laptop. She was planning on buying a new one, but there you go. It was a simple fix. Not too bad. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.